Oh, it's a long way down. I guess you could walk down there too. Is it amazing? It's okay. I don't know. Huh?
Why is it not gold?
Because it's fake news. So we came to Oakland to visit my brother and his girlfriend. I guess this is his apartment right here. Okay, let's do a tour. This is the railroad tracks where people fall and die. Well, they did it before they put this cage thing up. Snacks.
Drinks over there.
Wow, amazing. What does this do? Wow.
Hiya.
Star Wars, of course. Stormtrooper. Hey, that's cool. Oh. It's a rat. Another rat.
Yeah. Look when she's bad, I do this. Look, I do this when she's bad. Say, hiya. No.
Oh, it's a squirt gun?
Don't go there.
Oh, cool. Oops. Squirt gun. Why?
Stuff.
Hmm?
He's not very good, nice to see.
Oh, cool.
Okay,
It's nice.
hey. Hey, who's that?
Hey, you have Baby Pool? Is that his name?
Yeah, he's at the Regal. You walk there. It's really close.
He's what?
You walk there because it's really close. It's like a block or two away.
Does it do anything?
Oh, it holds popcorn and a drink.
Oh. You went and watched it?
Yeah, well, the first night, or Thursday night.
We watched it on the first Tuesday, so it was only $5.
Well, did she see any other ones?
Yeah, I made her watch all of them.
Oh,
It took like months to watch all of them to lead up. We watched the Loki season.
oh my gosh!
All
I
of-
made her watch. Yeah, I made her watch Logan.
Oh yeah, we watched Logan.
She's gonna go walk, go quick.
Yeah, we could go walk.
See ya.
Bye, rat. Look at it. It's so real. You could touch it.
That's true.
Such a nice day outside.
They have this place. Well, they have all these. But that's one of the places.
Delicious dining. Oh, that looks nice.
Cool little bar. Tiny little bar.
Mm.
Goes with like
No, wait, under
Snow White's house. Snow Latina's house. 'Cause she's Latina. She's not white.
Oh, yeah.
Why do you want to sit on there? Why do you want to sit on there?
don't.
Yes, you do.
look, free food.
Here's free food. Oh.
also the little ramen Pokemon shoppers.
Pokemon?
The little ramen shop that has like anime in it, like Pokemon or Dragon Ball things.
Demon Slayer?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go check it out. You excited? My anime wife. Oh. Where's the rest of those dogs' legs go? Ask them where their legs are.
They're so long.
I think they're retarded. I think they're defected. Bowling, arcade. Wanna play games? In there, bowling. Oh, is this the place? Let's walk a little bit. What the heck? Power Rangers?
That's not Kimberly.
Hey, and she's wearing pink. He's too handsome.
Oh, are you serious? Oh, fuck.
Sorry, we're closed. The candy store's closed. Sorry.
Don't be shy. It's really you.
Like the hand roll.
Huh?
It's a hand roll place. I don't know.
Hand rolls? What's that?
Place. I don't know.
Oh.
It's like sushi, those hand roll things. Nobody buys.
Huh. You know what those are, right?
No.
What are they?
Like the event thing over there. Only open the like weekends. I don't know.
Huh. Guess we're going to the bowling place. Oh my god, it almost hit us. Connect 4. Why? No dogs? Crazy. You want a bowl? How was it? Strong?
It's girly. Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's good. It tastes like our food arrived. It looks yummy. Man, those are some big old fish thingies. Ew, rabbit food.
This is your favorite.
Rabbit food, no way. Damn, those are big. Yay, what is that? What is this?
There's no artichoke hearts.
Oh, artichoke. Huh?
It's for all of us.
Finished eating. I guess we're gonna go get Ben and Jerry's. Next 4.
Nerds.
Look at new friends. They're communicating.
We don't let the loners hang out.
It's closed? Dope era is right. Ice cream. You're not too cold for ice cream?
I ate this so cheap. Ramen rice.
I
I was getting the same one you want. Got our ice creams.
Look at my sheet on. You got a tiny bit. Look at my.
Wow.
Both of you.
Kim wants to take a picture of the water. Mm-hmm. Hey, look, let's go on the boats or the ships. Hey, look, it's a rat. It's Hera. Hi.
This is where my statue's gonna be.
Where?
There.
Oh, right there, huh? Just these are chairs here for us to sit by the water. Why do you want to sit on this thing over here?
Holy shit.
Yeah. Turn the light on.
You're crazy. There's not a
There we go. See? What does it say?
This place is like named after this Japanese guy.
Mm.
He did this cabin before he lived.
Really? That's crazy.
It's like a Japanese square.
They built the whole town around his house from 1872.
Yep.
Hey, orange gem. It's kind of nice. Hmm? That's cool. There's cables, dumbbells, treadmill.
Padding shorts. Should we use this? Nice.
She did what?
She bought those bike padding shorts.
Oh yeah? Why does it hurt without them?
Yeah.
Oh.
I agree.
Oh. Lounge area. Oh, people chilling. It's nice, huh? Look at the view. Okay, tell us a ghost story.
Of the Philippines. How's the exorcism story? My mom always watches.
Oh, yeah? What, her? Her mom?
No.
Our mom? Really?
I always watch those Philippine exorcisms.
Oh, yeah, those fake, stupid. I always tell her those things are fake. Yeah. It's the worst. What's the worst acting ever? You know what she's talking about? In the jungle, like the weird Filipino people. They're like ah. Oh no. Oh yeah, there's those ones and the exorcism ones in the regular houses. Yeah. Yeah.
So in the Philippines, there's something we call San Telmo, and then they said that a San Telmo shows up when it's like 12, and if you're still in the seashore around that time, it will show up. And if you see something that has like a fire, that's it, like a floating fire. Yeah, that's it.
So it's San Telmo's by us right now? This is San Telmo, maybe? Oh, there's water over there. Okay, bye. See you guys. Okay, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
As you fade away, as you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause